looking cute as can be.
Somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey II. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe this.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Hey, do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
Okay, you just want water, right?
Sure do, I'll drink it straight.
Oh, your branches are dry, poor thing.
Don't need no glass, no ice.
Okay, I'll get the can.
Don't need no twist of a lime. And now it's supper time. Relax, sweetheart, it'll be easier. Come join your dentist friend and Mushnik. They're right inside.
Ow! Ow!
Audrey, are you all right?